If you're like me and you're afraid of a roller coaster ride, but you actually want to make a video of you on a roller coaster, then this effect is for you, because you can actually create a roller coaster video for yourself without actually being on one. So all you have to do to create this kind of effect is simple. First thing, go to Higgsfield.ai. Second thing, click on apps. Third thing, click on roller coaster. Fourth thing, you'll be brought to a page like this. The fourth thing, upload your image here, and then fifth thing will be for you to switch this to video, and then the final one will be to generate the video. Now it says it costs about 15 credits. Do not worry, because Higgsfield AI will allow you to create this particular effect for free, especially if you sign up on a free account. So this is the image that was uploaded, and this was the video that was created. This is really lovely. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.